What do you think that people nowadays can learn from that period of Jewish history that you've spent so much time researching?
Well, I think one thing you can learn is that to be happy and to make things important, you don't have to have 4 televisions and 6 cars. It's a different life. And the other thing that really comes true is how close families were because they all lived together. And one of the things that is really nice is when you had your grandfather live next door and you could walk to your grandmother's house. And a lot of people that grew up in neighborhoods like that remember their grandmothers and grandfathers. Now our grandson grows up in Massachusetts and he doesn't know us on a day-to-day basis. And I think that's a big loss as far as the social mores are concerned and the culture is concerned. As far as Judaism is concerned, it shows that there was a big portion of the Jewish population that was never religious. I think the religious give the ideas that people are not religious today, implying that they were years ago. I don't think they were years ago. They may have been, it may have been a matter of degree. They may have been more than they are today. The one thing that's different is that almost everybody married Jewish, so the Jewish, the children were the children of 2 Jews. I think that what's happening today with so much assimilation, only about 50% of Jews marry other Jews. I think that's a plus in a way for Jews because there was an awful lot of anti-Semitism, and there still is. But a lot of people today who are Christian, we have friends here, have a grandson who's half Jewish. And that makes a big difference. And the people become very interested in things they don't know, and they want to know more about what their Jewish, half Jewish grandson is, or granddaughter is doing. And it's true with races, whether it's black or white. Obama proved that. And so the years are different. And so I think it shows a different society and a different way that people lived. I don't think most people are interested in history. I think it's a little group of people who are interested in what happened in the past, and rightly so. Most people are interested in what happens today and what's going to happen tomorrow. And that's the way the world should be. But I think it still should be preserved for people who want to know, so fake news doesn't get out there and people really do know what happened before they were born.